Good morning, students. We'll discuss about 1.0.5 packet tracer, logical and physical mode exploration. Okay, here we have a topology. There we have Warrington data center and Seward network. In between, we have submarine cable. Okay, so here we'll discuss about the different networking concepts or different components in network by using physical mode and logical mode. Okay, we have been given part 1 to 6. Part 1 investigate the bottom toolbar. So this one. So what are things we have in this toolbar is network devices. There we have the internet networking device like a router. Then we have switches. Then we have what hubs. Okay. Then we have wireless devices, routers, access point, everything. Then we have firewall, security device. Then we have cloud. Okay, then we have end devices. There we have that device which are used for sending and receiving data, like end devices like laptop, desktop, server, voice or IP phone, TV, tablet, everything. Then we have home devices like IoT device we'll use for AC, this one coffee vending machine, then battery, speaker, carbon monoxide sensor, everything. Okay, alarm. Then we have smart city, again end device and smart city. Then we have industrial end device. Then we have power grid device. Okay, like it will generate power, no? Solar panel. This one. Then we have battery. Then we have fan. Then we have this one wind turbine. Everything. Okay. Then we have components. Here we have IoT controllers like MCU, microcontroller unit, and single board computer. Then thing. Then we have connections for connecting different end device and interconnecting networking devices like connecting between computer to switch and router, switch to router, like that. No, those things we have cables like serial cable, console cable. We have copper straight through and crossover. Then we have coaxial cable. Then we have which one? IoT custom cable, different types of cable. Okay. Then we have miscellaneous devices. Okay. Then we have multi-user device. Okay. That's what coming under part one. Okay. Then what is subcategory network device? Same I told, no. Here we have router, switches, hub, firewall, wireless device, firewall, and cloud. Okay. Now part to investigate the devices in wiring closet. Okay. So this one, like this. Okay. So we are in the physical mode, intercity now. Okay. This is physical mode now. This is logical. This is physical. Back to physical. This is intercity. Then in the navigation panel. Okay, click physical and then use navigation panel or backload buttons to navigate. Okay, already we are in intercity. Okay, you're going to go back, just click this and go back. Okay, now which one you want to visit? Click reward and click branch office. Okay, so first one, this is click reward. Okay, after that branch office. Okay, wiring closet. Notice that wiring closet has a rack, cable pegboard, and a table and a shelf. Okay, so this one wiring closet. Click this one of the branch office. When you click the wiring closet, what happens? Let's see. Okay, see here, four things over there. This is the rack where you keep the router, switches, okay, server. Then there is a cable pegboard. What type of cables are there? Then we have shelf where we keep the backup switch, backup firewall, branch firewall, wireless router, backup router, iPhone, IP phone, sorry, IP phone, branch laptop. Table, you put a laptop, okay, and a PC. Then what we have is, so what are things in the rack? Okay, so this one is power distribution. Okay, so here, from here we are giving power to all this thing. Where is going, each one is given access point is switch, ALS1 switch, ALS2 edge router, all are getting power, web server are getting power from this. Okay, power distribution device. Okay, then we have, what is this, router. Okay, we have router here. We have two switches, ASL and ASL2. This one is edge router. This is ALS1 switch, ALS2 switches. Okay, then we have access point for connecting wireless clients. Then we have web server for HTTP web service. Okay, then what they're telling, okay, you zoom in. Okay, you can zoom in. How do we zoom in? Control scroll. Okay, we can just, okay, press the control key, then mouse and scroll. Okay, you can see the power distribution device where the power is being given for edge router, then ALS1 switch, ALS2 wireless model. Okay, now what they're telling, there are two switches. Okay, so routers are used to connect two different networks, right? Okay, router will be connecting different networks. LAN, connect end devices. We in a network we need LAN, okay, local connection. We need sorry, switches, okay. Then switches provide wired connection to connect to other device, okay. So switches have been assigned the name, so ALS1, ALS2, and they have different ports are over there, okay, connecting different switches or end device. We have ports for the also different ports here, okay. We have connection from router to switch, okay, switch to switch, like that. Now, what device use a wired connection to connect to a switch ALS2? Okay, so from ALS2, where you are connected, okay, what device use the wired connection to connect to ALS2? Okay, check here. Just clicking that connection. So here we can go back and check ALS2 is coming. What device uses a wired connection to connect to ALS2? Okay, here this one ALS2. What we can do is go to logical. So ALS2 is connected to web server, then two cables connecting ALS1 to ALS2 to ALS1, then one cable connected to access point. Okay, so ALS is connected by web server, then access point, then the switch. Okay, then what we have is so what device is wired connection? So all these devices are having connection. Okay, web server, access point, and ALS1. Okay, now below the switch in this rack is a wireless access point. Access point is a wireless connection to other device. Which device connected to access point? Access point is connected to laptop one. Okay, then switch back to physical mode. Go back to branch office wiring closet. Okay, where is the device connected to access point physically located? Okay, where is the laptop one? That's asking. Okay, wiring. Go back to physical. Okay, where is this access point? This one. Okay, access point is connected to which device? I told. Let me check here. Access point is connected to laptop one. Okay, so where is the laptop one? We'll go back to physical this access point. Okay, wireless laptop one is here. Okay, then connect the end device to network device. How do we connect the end devices to network device? Okay, so this is where is end device. So first thing, device can be connected to a variety of ways. Okay, so when you are connecting, you can use straight through or crossover or whatever cables we need. Okay, so all these connections, no, where you will get this one. This is console key. Okay, for connecting or managing a device, we need to connect to this device. Okay, by using console cable. Then we have copper straight through between say LAN devices, no, from switch to end device, switch to router. We can use LAN, this one LAN cable like copper straight. Okay, then this is again straight through, and this one is fiber connection. Okay, straight through cable. Then we have fiber connection for the data transfer speed based on that we use fiber. Okay, then we have coaxial cable. This is USB cable. Okay, so these are the cables they mentioned here. Okay, straight through cables for connecting PC to switch, then switch to router. Then we have fiber cable. Then we have coaxial cable. We have USB cable. Okay, this is console cable for management. Okay, connecting this one now. All the cables are mentioned here. Now go back to physical from logic physical to logical mode and see what are the cables used there. Okay, so here see this one. This wireless media. This is straight through cable between switches connected to this one. Okay, then we have a cable LAN cable between switch to server, then switch to router. Then we have serial connection. Okay, here between router to router, like that. All the cables are being mentioned here. Okay, this is in logical mode. Okay, the store, see what we have: wireless router, branch laptop, backup router, IP phone, branch firewall, backup switch. Okay, go back to physical. Now we want to connect these end device. Okay, how do we connect? Straight through cable from cable plug board, peg board. Then PC1, you have to move towards PC1 until you see fast Ethernet port. Okay, so here take the which cable straight through, right? Straight through, go to PC1 fast Ethernet 0. Okay, you have to connect here. Okay, already connected. Okay, it's already connected. This. Then in green, it should be in green color. Then connect the other end of cable to ALS2 by clicking fast empty fast Ethernet. Okay, so this should be connected to any fast Ethernet port of ALS2 connected. Now we have connection between ALS1 to PC. This 16% now. Okay. After that, RS232 is for console connection. Okay. Then connect the other end of that is done. Then PC and laptop can be connected to network device using a console. This provides console cable from cable plug board. Okay, so here I'm going to connect the console cable from PC RS232. Okay, to which device? Green color. Then you have to this one to edge router. Okay, router. Connect this to router console port. Okay, so this is router, right? This one. So zoom it. Hit the console. This is the console port. Okay, click here. So console connection from router to PC house 33. Okay. After that, install the backup router, right? So in the shelf, okay, there is backup router in the shelf. Okay, this one. Okay. So click and drag the backup router and to an empty spot in rack. Okay. Let me take this one here. Just slowly move towards rack. Okay, so this one not should be here. So take this to rack. Go. Here we are discussing about different network device. Okay, so this is okay. Rack. Yes, here it is empty. So I have 50%. Okay, now this one empty spot. Then we want to power on the backup router. Okay, so click on the rack. Then you want to inspect the rear. Okay, so what you should do is you have to okay, click the backup router inspect rear. Okay, so let me check here. Right click. Okay, when you click it will open. So go to the backup router, right click. Okay, so you want to go for inspect rear. Okay, then only we can see that power button. Okay, so go here, this one like that. Okay, here I want to power. Okay, so this one is power button, power on this router. Done. After that you want to return to rear view. Okay, so this one is inspect the power button on. Now go to the cable. Okay, pegboard, use a USB cable to return to the rear view backup router and find USB console port, and it should be green color connected to laptop 1. Okay, so this one I'll go to USB cable. Okay, from here where is USB cable console. Okay, so USB console on left side, this one. Okay, cannot do this one. Okay, then where is the USB cable? This one, auxiliary. Where is USB? Ah, this one, USB console. Okay, other one was the normal console. Connect this to console of laptop. Sorry, USB port of laptop. Where is USB port of laptop? Connected. Now this will be USB cable USB port to console USB port, USB console of backup router connect. Okay. Now what we need, investigate the self again. What we need is management. Okay. So this is done. Now we have to we connected the drag and drop the which one backup router. We connect the USB console port. Okay, console cable to the laptop. Then we have to configure the host name of that router from the laptop. So click the laptop, click the laptop. Now we are go to desktop terminal. You know how to configure the console, right? Okay, with the backup rate, sorry, baud rate, bits per second, everything again. Just click OK. Then go down, 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 down. Then no, then enter. Then enable. Then configure terminal. Then what is the host name they ask you to give? Host name is backup hyphen underscore router. Okay, backup underscore router. Let me copy paste. Very simple. Type this. Okay, copy. Again, go back to laptop. Paste this name here and what happened? No. So here, I think again you want to go back to this device and check that backup router name. So I need to get 100%, right? So the name is not properly given. So how do I find out? You have to go to check results. Okay, whenever we found you found errors, now go to check result, check assessment item. See the backup router host name was wrong. This red color cross means wrong. Pink color tick means correct. Okay, so this one you have to give the correct name. So I want to go back, go down. You can see that name. The name edge underscore router underscore backup. Okay, so the name. I want to go back. Then I want again enable again config. Then host name. Not as a name. You have to give edge router. I forgot that edge. Okay, DGE edge underscore router underscore back up. Okay. Now see 100%. Okay, so now you got the which one 100% completion. Okay. Explore the rest of the network. Then if you want to go to the remaining part, like go back to physical mode, then Wellington data center, teleworker home, all those things we can try. Okay. So close this. Zoom out. Okay, because I zoomed in. Zoom out and go back logical. You want to see what are the components in Wellington, okay, data center. Now again we can like this. Okay, now this is Wellington data center. Here, here see many routers, switches, and devices, servers, everything there. Go back to physical. You can see that Wellington data center here. It's zoom out. Okay, so you can just go through each and every which one network. Okay, so here we have backup shelf. Like that you can go through. Okay, servers, every machine they mentioned here, all you can go through. Okay, now again go back to this one. I will go back here with this and go back. Okay, now this is branch office done. Now go back to Welling. This word is done. Now go back to again go back to Wellington. Now this is Wellington. Click Wellington. You have to see this data center teleworker in Warren and Wellington. Okay. Here it's mentioned Wellington. Okay, so teleworker means employee working remotely. Okay, you can go and click data center. So you can see what inside the data center, Warren data center. So much servers are being connected. All the company's data will be in the data center servers. Okay, like we have in Sohar port, we have some data center like you're seeing. All the servers, everything are there put in the rack. Again, power distribution center. Then we have two switches. Then it is connected to different servers. We also have cables here, different types of cable. We have rack with which one backup router, backup switch, everything is there. Firewall is there. You can find the parent and admin laptop is there. Okay, go back to see what are the things available in the teleworker. What we have in teleworker, that also we can check, like okay, remote office, okay, you can work from the remote place and you can connect to the company's network. Okay, that's what mentioned. Okay, all these things coming under which one? Your first activity 1.0.5. Hope you understand.